Cloches go with every kind of decor. Hey Bestie, it's Lisa. Welcome or welcome back. If you want to craft your best life with me, then let's get started right now. For this Dollar Tree cloche hack, we're going to take a cloche, we're going to take some mini flower pots, also from the Dollar Tree, a beautiful spring ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and 3 different acrylic paints from Apple Barrel. You can use any paint color you want. First thing I'm going to do is hot glue the ribbon around that base of the cloche. I just thought that would add a really pretty spring, kind of festive touch to it. And once I reach the end, I will just cut off the excess and secure the end with some more glue. Now I'm going to take the first color of paint and I'm just going to paint one of the little flower pots. I did the whole outside and a little bit of the inside that you might see. Then I'm going to take the other 2 colors and paint the other flower pots. Now I've got some of this reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree and some Aleene's tacky glue, and I'm going to cover the whole inside base of the cloche. And then I'm going to lay down the reindeer moss and just kind of push it down and secure it with that glue. Now you could use any kind of moss you like for this. Now once all of the moss is on there, I'm going to put some glue on the very inside of each of those little pots and add some more moss into those because I wanted to fill it with greenery. Then I'm going to take different flowers, as small as I can find, and I'm just going to put them inside the little pot. So basically I'm just going to take off like a flower and hot glue it right into one of the little pots, and then I'll put another flower, and then I've got those little white and green kind of flowers I'm going to put in another one. That's the one that's going to give this some height, because I wanted them to have different heights since the little pots are all different sizes. This is such an easy craft to do, and it's just going to turn out beautiful. Now I'm going to clear a little spot for each of the pots, and then I'm going to use some hot glue and secure it to that base. It was very easy to do that. You could put the pots down first and work with the moss around it, but I just decided to do it this way. I don't think it matters, whichever way you prefer. Now I'm going to add some more to give it a little more height of that little white flower. I think I just wanted one of them, like I said, to be taller than the rest because the cloche is taller and I wanted to fill it up a little bit more. Now I've got these really pretty stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take this gorgeous butterfly and it's adhesive sticky on the back. So I'm just going to attach it to the edge of one of the little pots so it looks like there's a butterfly inside there on the flowers. Now I'm going to add the top back on, and that is it. Look how beautiful this is. I think it turned out gorgeous. So easy. This would be a fun one to do with the kids or grandkids because it was super easy. You'll have to let me know what you think. For this Dollar Tree cloche hack, I'm going to take a cloche, some cork adhesive board. I've got this cute little like teapot set. It's just like a miniature. It's so adorable. And then I'm also going to use a sticker from the Dollar Tree. They have some beautiful stickers. I'm going to trace out the circle of this on the back of the adhesive of the cork board and cut that out. It's going to end up being a little too big, so I will trim around it with my X-Acto knife. Now I'm just going to remove the backing of that adhesive and put it on the inside. And like I said, I will trim off the excess. Now I'm going to take my little teapot and I'm going to hot glue it directly to the cork. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the lid on. If I ever want to change my mind about this, the glue comes right off with a little heat, so I'm not worried about it. And then I'm going to glue on this cute little cup. I did reposition them off camera because I forgot that I had to put the lid back on and it was sticking over. So when you see this in a moment, it's already moved over. And now I'm just going to put the top on and see how that's going to fit. And I'm going to put one of those stickers right on the inside of the cloche. And I just thought that would look so pretty. I love this little tea stuff. A friend of mine gave it to me. And then I've got a tea bag here. I'm just going to cut the tea bag cover into a smaller piece to make like a little mini looking tea bag, and glue it together and then glue it inside of the cloche. So I want it to look like it's a teapot, a teacup, and a little tea bag. I love to drink tea. I don't know about you guys, but I really do. And so I thought this would be such a cute decor to put around my coffee bar, because we have a tea station and a coffee station. So let me know in the comments, are you a coffee drinker, a tea drinker, or both? Now, I love coffee, but I drink tea because I just feel like it agrees with me better. Coffee, I love it, but it just doesn't agree with me. All right, so there's my little tea bag. I'm just going to glue that down. And this project was so easy. There's not much more to it because the whole thing is the tea theme. So I didn't really need to do much more. Talk about an easy project. So we're going to put the lid on, and that's it. I love this one. I absolutely love this one. You'll have to let me know what you think. I think it's so cute. And if you don't have it, I bet you could find those kind of little tea things at a thrift store. For this Dollar Tree cloche hack, I've got my cloche, got some succulents from the Dollar Tree, and some moss balls from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take this beautiful burlap ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue it all the way around the base of the cloche. I'm going for kind of a boho look on this one, and I thought this ribbon was just perfect for that. So we'll just attach the end, and that's it for the ribbon. Next, we're going to start adding the pieces that we need. We will use my tin snips to cut off the base of that succulent because it was very thick and I couldn't just cut it with scissors or anything. I'm going to hot glue that piece in kind of propped upward because I want to be able to see it. It's so beautiful. And then I'm going to add my moss balls kind of around the back of it. That'll help support it and also fill in the very back. And I'm keeping in mind that I need to put that lid on, so I'm trying to push things away from the very edge so the lid will still fit on. I've got some more succulents. I'm just cutting off the ends of those, and those will be glued to the inside of the top of the cloche because otherwise there's really nowhere to put them where you can see them. So I'm putting the lid back on so I can see exactly where I want to place them. And then I'm going to take the lid back off and put some hot glue in there and attach the succulent. And I've got another succulent to add as well. And in the process, I loosened up the one that was already in there, so I did put some more hot glue and secure it. One thing about the succulents at Dollar Tree, they look very real. I guess because succulents look plastic kind of to begin with, so the fact that these are plastic, it doesn't really matter. So now I'm just going to put the lid back on. This one is so easy. And look at that, it's all done. I think it turned out gorgeous. I mean, the colors in these succulents are so pretty. You'll have to let me know what you think. I really, really love this one. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season. For this Dollar Tree cloche DIY, I've got a cloche. I've got this adorable lantern that has a light in it. And then I've also got some paint, and we're going to use this kind of brushed gold. It's going to look just like the color of the lantern, so that's why I wanted that one. And so what I'm going to do is take the base, and I'm actually just going to paint around the base. Well, first I'm going to sand it because I want the paint to stick, and I'm not sure with that plastic if it would otherwise. So I'll sand it, wipe off the dust, and then I'm going to paint it with that brushed gold, like metallic paint. And it really, really, with the black underneath, if you kind of do it in a streaky way without a full coverage, then it actually does look like that lantern. You'll see in a minute here. All right, now that that's dried, I'm going to take my little lantern. See how much it looks like the color? And we're just going to place it in there. We're not going to glue it because we need to be able to get to the light switch. I'm going to take this greenery that I get from Amazon and I'm just going to put it like around the kind of the top of the roof of that lantern. We're just going to hot glue it on because I wanted some greenery in here. And it only took a few pieces to go around the whole thing. And there it is with all the greenery on it. And what I ended up doing was putting in, I have some fairy lights that I get from Amazon, and I ended up stringing them through the inside of the lantern because my little light went out and I didn't have the right kind of battery. So it actually looks better than the light that was there. So when I did that, I'll have a picture here showing you what it looks like. So here it is without the light, just beautiful. It looks fine. And then in a moment here, you're going to see with the fairy lights on the inside. And now I think it's stunning. So you'll have to let me know what you think. I think putting the fairy lights in there was just the best thing to do. Ready for more inspiration? Here's another video I think you'll really like. If you click on it, I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye!